Look at these channels, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, millions of views, and video after video constantly reaching massive audiences. This channel is getting millions of views simply by taking about prehistoric creatures. Here's another one converting extinct animals and ancient wildlife, and once again the views are incredible. Some of these creators have built entire YouTube business around one simple niche, which is extinct animals. People love discovering creatures that once ruled the earth, from giant dinosaurs and the Ice Age mammals to mysterious species that vanished only a few centuries ago. The demand for this type of content keeps growing, and the best part is that you don't need to film anything yourself or spend hours of editing. Let me show you how you can create these documentary style videos using Vexub AI. First, open Vexub and click Create a Video, then select Text to Video. Choose the horizontal format for a long form YouTube video and continue to the next step. Since this is a faceless documentary, skip the animated narrator and select a professional AI voice that fits a documentary style narration. Now enter your video title. For this example, we'll use 10 extinct animals you won't believe once existed, and then click Generate Script. And within seconds, Vexub creates a complete documentary script. You can review it, make any changes you want, or simply continue with the generated version. Next, head over to the image style section, select custom image style and describe the type of visuals you want. For this niche, you can use prompts like realistic, prehistoric animals, cinematic wildlife, documentaries, lush accident environments, dramatic lighting, ultra detailed creatures, and consistent documentary styles. This keeps every scene looking realistic and visually consistent from beginning to end. Once everything is ready, click Start Generation. Vexub will automatically generate the entire video for you, including AI generated visuals, voice narration, subtitles, scene transitions, and synchronized storytelling.
This giant bird weighed over 500 pounds. Picture the world millions of years ago. Massive creatures roamed the earth. Among them was the Argentavis, a bird with a wingspan longer than a car. It soared through the skies, hunting small mammals. But it vanished, like so many others. The woolly mammoth roamed the icy tundras.
All without switching between multiple tools. When your video is finished, preview every scene. If you would like to improve anything, you can regenerate individual visuals, replace scenes, edit subtitles, customize the narration, or make any final adjustments directly inside Vexub. Finally, export your completed video, or if you want to save even more time, connect your YouTube or TikTok account directly to Vexub and publish your video instantly, or schedule it to go live automatically at your preferred date and time. And that's how you can create professional faceless extinct animal documentaries from script generation to publishing, all inside a single platform called Vexub AI. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please leave a thumbs up for me, and any kind of suggestion in the comment section will be appreciated. And I will catch you in the next video.